do you want me to do?
Reverse, reverse, reverse! Quick! What? Reverse! It's not long enough.
It's Monday morning and Andy and I are heading up to the Glasshouse Mountains, which is a pretty cool thing to do on a Monday. Salty Captain are meeting us here. We're doing a little bit of filming with them today. So we thought we'd bring you along for the ride because it's been raining for a while. And it was sunny when we left Brisbane. It's just starting to cloud over here. But I'm predicting it's going to be very muddy, very slippery. And might be a good chance to try out Ando's new winch. Anyway, let's get up to the car park, air down, and we'll see you when we get there.
I only had 20 today. Bit muddy. Only really 18, but just enough to get a fly, I reckon.
How's this for a Monday, Ando?
Not too shabby, eh?
First track, Powerline Tracks. What are we thinking?
Hard. Yeah.
What good did that do? Oh, and that was a good start. How much rain's been through, I wonder? Jeez.
Yeah. Reckon it's good, mate? Yeah, bloody good. Get that winch ready. He's sunk.
You can't park this, huh?
Go on swimming, mate. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Look at you! Quick! Get the wrench, get it! Go, go. Should have it ready.
Yeah, we should.
Oh, so what's happening here? We're trying to get him winched up?
Yeah.
Real quick.
I'm going. What do you want me to do?
Run in there.
Hang on.
You want me to do it?
I need the snap. Give me this.
Yep, quick.
Mark Mallory delivered the first pitch.
Woo. Reverse! Quick! What? Reverse! It's not long enough. Hurry up! Quick! Holy
You want it, mate?
Real good, buddy. It's a bit of fun, isn't it, mate? Oh, yeah, so much fun. What do you reckon? Stand up, buddy. Good, mate. That's such a good point. Good thing Salty Captain has the right product, bro.
You're going to need lots of Salty Captain today, mate. You might need to go back to the factory.
Oh, oh no. That's alright.
Are we going to clean the cleaning product?
That's alright. All good.
I came from the mud. There's dirt on my hands. Strong like a tree. There's roots where I stand. Oh, I've been.
What's going on?
Well, Andy went through the water. We probably didn't think it was that deep. And we should have been more prepared, but we weren't. We should have had the winches out, or at least the snatch straps out. But we didn't.
I can stick in there.
Was that in it?
Nah, just in the chassis rail. Well, the gearbox looks fine.
Was it?
Yeah.
I don't think there's any rocks or anything under there, mate, that would have hit it.
I'm aware with rocks. I think just alternator somewhere.
Yeah, we'll get on to it, and we'll just leave it for a while, see if it'll dry out. Bit of an update. Battery lights come on, so that means the alternator might be stopped, or at least got a lot of water in it. And the oil lights come on, so whether we've got water in the engine or not, I hope not. At the minute, we're just hosing it off underneath and seeing if we can't see if it's been hit by anything, or there's been a rock underneath there. But at the minute, it all looks pretty good, so that's a good thing. We'll get it all cleaned down, we'll have another look at it and see if we can work out why it's not going into gear. So the engine, what's lights? Any lights on?
Oil, battery, and what's that? Water?
What's going on? Can't get her in gear. Too much mud.
Too much mud, probably.
It's throwing a few lights though, so it's throwing the water lights come on, the engine lights come on, battery lights come on.
So what's the plan? What's the plan now?
Well, I don't think you're driving it again today.
Probably a tie.
So we'll get you towed up to the car park.
That's no fun.
And then, well, you and I might go and do some content first.
I'll wait here.
Hope they won't shoot me down soon. They say gonna sleepless
What are you
night.
doing, mate? Pretty muddy as.
I need some of that Salty Captain to wash it all off.
Ah, yeah, for sure. You
Try to
do.
catch me howling at the moon. Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Andy's making a call to Hayden, the mechanic. Hayden, if you're watching this is what's happened. I hope you can fix it. Anyway, we're here with Rob from Salty Captain, and I actually really love their products. So in the spirit of getting the 4B dirty, we've come up here to the glassy and running around some of these puddles, and we've got all the products out now. I will have a code below if you want to buy any of these. There is Christmas specials happening in December if you're watching this, so check the links below and get some of this Salty Captain gear, because honestly I love it. It's brilliant stuff.
Right, let's bring you up to speed. So Ando put a call into Hayden, the mechanic, who is a legend back in Capalaba. Well, he said it could be a lot of things without looking at it. So long story short, I'm on my way to Caboolture to pick up a car trailer. We managed to get Andy's car limped up to the car park, so I'm going to go and grab a car trailer, go back and load it onto the car trailer, and we're going to take it back to Hayden at the service depot and see if he can work his doctor magic, because he is the car whisperer.
Many hours later.
That was a massive run around. So we went to get a trailer. We got there and the trailer was there, but they don't do one-way hire. So no, stop it. We went back to another company who had a trailer but it didn't have a wheel on it. So then I went back to the original company. So well, I'll take that one, but we'll bring it back tomorrow. So Andy luckily he's heading up this way tomorrow for work, so we'll drop it off at the van. But oh my goodness, it's now 3:45 in the afternoon and we're still in the middle of the glass house, and we've got to try and get Andy's car onto this trailer and get it down to Hayden at the mechanics. So anyway, let's get to Andy and get this car loaded onto the trailer. That was a carry-on.
What a carry-on. I love mud.
What'd you say, you love mud?
Love mud.
You love mods and beers too?
Need beer.
We do need beer.
We did a silly error.
We did do a silly error, yeah.
We walked half of it and it seemed pretty sweet, like yep. And then got just past halfway and it was no go. But just shows you should always be prepared no matter what the circumstance, because that could have potentially allowed me to drive home.
Yes.
But anyway, 2020 hindsight, we'll get towed to mechanics and fingers crossed it turns out all good.
I'm sure it will, mate. So we have made it back to the service depot in one piece. We did hop home and quickly give it a quick of a spray just to take some of the mud off, to make it a bit easier for Hayden. We don't want him caked in mud as soon as he looks underneath it. Right, so we shall leave her here and we'll report back once Hayden has a look at it.
Fingers crossed.
Okay, it's a week later and she's just about fixed. Wasn't heaps wrong, luckily. Ended up getting a new alternator. He ended up putting a 180 amp high output alternator in just because of the big 12 volt system, so it's kind of worked out well. The clutch just needed adjusting, which was lucky, but they ended up having to do 3 seals on the drive shaft. So the tail shaft into the back diff went, into the transfer case went, and at the front of the transfer case it went too. So there's three seals had to go into it. Apart from that, it looks like it's back on the road. So Andy's lucky boy. The moral of this story is, if you're going to go through deep water crossings, don't. But if you have to, make sure you walk it first, not just halfway like Andy did. And if you still want to go, make sure you've got a snatch strap or your winch out or something ready so that you can throw it out and just get out of there super quick, because 4 or 5 minutes has cost us a few $100s. If we were to pull it straight out, we might not have cost anything. Anyway, you live and you learn. I'm sure there'll be lots of comments below about how stupid we were, and we were. So anyway, that's that. Thank you for watching. Please do remember to subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.